Hello, everyone. Thanks for being here. You probably know I published a book last year named Access on Steroids, which later has been published by an American publisher company called A Press, belonging to the Springer Nature Network, with the change title Advanced Interactive Interfaces with Access. Even if the layout is different and the title is different, the content is absolutely the same. You can find the first version on my website, including all the necessary code, fully commented, or you can buy the second version on the Apress website, but I'm not sure if you will be able to easily download the code. The price should be the same, so choose what you prefer. I am happy to announce today that I have finally finished and published my second book, Sliders with Access. This book is kind of a sequel of the first one. You can consider them as being part of the same collection called Building Interactive Interfaces with VBA. The topic covered by this book is somehow simpler than the previous ones. Sliders are missing controls in Access. Access doesn't provide the proper, fully customizable control. So if we want one, we have to write some code to build our own. You may ask why sliders? Well, I think sliders are often needed in our Access applications. At least I often need to use some kind of sliders in my Access applications. And since there are many ways and many different styles of sliders, I thought it would be useful and at least for some of you interesting to have an overview of what can be done using some simple VBA. In this book, just like in the first one, there is no reference to external libraries, no DLL, no OCX, no third-party controls, no API calls, just 100% pure and simple VBA. We start with the simplest slider ever, which actually collapses to an on-off switch, kind of a toggle. We will write a class, so we will be able to use as many of these toggles as needed with the minimal possible effort. Then we'll see a real slider with a moving thumb, and then something a, a bit different, which resembles a slider, but it's not really a slider. I called it a rating widget, which works like this. It's like having a set of LED lights that you can turn on and off. Then something more complicated because it has a double slider, double thumbs, and it's a rather useful widget to select a period of time, so a starting date and an ending date. And finally, we will see kind of an elastic slider. I mean, a slider which has a slight elastic effect, which you can see in this animation. These are the topics I cover in this book. For each of these objects, I'll show you how to create a class, a proper class, which can be easily imported in any other Access project, allowing you to have these objects immediately available in your applications. So you can easily customize the look and feel, the shapes, the colors, the positions, and everything else. This book can only be found on my website, so there's no external publisher involved this time. And I hope you may find it interesting. Even if you don't, thanks for following me and for watching my videos. Your support is important to me. That's all for now, so see you soon.